Hello, everyone. My name is Nishay. One of the assets that I bring to the class is having an open mind. I understand that we're not going to all have the same views and the same opinions on certain topics, and definitely having an open mind for me helps me learn off of other people. And another asset that I bring is curiosity. I don't have much background in social work, and I see that a lot of my classmates do have some type of experience in social work. And with curiosity, I'm going to ask a lot of questions, and then I can get a lot of answers and learn a lot of different techniques and see how other people work with their experience. The third asset that I bring is helpfulness. I don't mind helping any of my colleagues, any of my peers, if they ever need my help. Even if I don't know, we can research it together and find out some new things together. Um, my favorite movies, my one favorite movie of all time is The Devil Wears Prada. That is not a movie you will want to watch with me because I say it word for word. And I also love the Purge series. Every movie from the Purge I love. I can watch it over and over again. And what I want to do with my MSW in the future. Right now I'm currently working in the behavioral health field. I've been doing it for 2 years since I graduated, and I think I'm going to stay. I definitely want to stay in the behavioral health field. My first year I was working with adults, and I'm in my second year now and I'm working with children. So I don't know which population I want to work with more. I definitely should have some type of decision by the time I get my degree. And I'll have more time to move around and work at other places. But for the most part, I'm going to stay in the behavioral health field. And that's all I have. I thank you guys for listening. I thank you guys for watching, and I look forward to watching everyone else's video. And I hope that you guys have a great night and a great weekend. Thank you.